Hi guys, in front of me is HUAWEI Nova 11 Pro, and let me show you how to use and enter secret codes. So at first open your phone dialer, and here you will be entering those codes. The first one is the longest one and will show us project menu. So just enter *# 2846579 *#. So here we've got it. In this panel you can check background settings, version information, network information query, software upgrade, you can perform a factory reset, and also you can check battery. So smoothly by tapping on particular info you can see the data. So just go through it and choose the info that you wish to reach. So that's it. Let me go back. And then another code that I would like to show you is the code which will show us the whole about phone info. Smoothly enter *#, 4 O's, *#. And as you can see here, we've got the about phone info, where you can read model, software version, hardware version, PR version, and so on. Then smoothly go back. And another code that you can use here is *#, 225, *#. And here you can check the calendar info. So if you have any calendar connected with your device, all data would be displayed here. So from now on, you will not be surprised by any upcoming event. Another code that you can use here is *06#, and this is the email details. So you've got email and serial number displayed right after you enter the code. And that's it. That will be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.